international export material.
The rave of the moment.
One of the best. One of its kind in Coal City State, Enugu. If you know you have your phone, please turn on your touchlight, please. Put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on. Put it on. Ladies and gentlemen, Enugu, if you're ready, let's give it on for Anoneemous! All right.
Can we keep the lights like this? Can we keep the lights like this? Please settle down. We came here for stand-up comedy, and I want to give you just that. I will make everybody sit down. You are an ingrate. Sit down. Sit down. See, forget the fact that this boy is my brother. Please watch him closely. So we wear red cap like courtist. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you, Hugh King Ventures. You look so good. I like your native. So they wear them every day. You don't get alternative. Bro. Man, I beg. I beg, make una just minimize the movements. Make una leave the money. Make it they give ambience to the stage. Sit down, listen to jokes. Bro, Mr. Brown, you've said 4 things. I don't want to hear your voice again. The next thing I hear from you, I call my bouncers, they apologize. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anoneemous, CFR, or Hanugo, God's friend, Chinecherim. I'm a stand-up. When I come to the club, my name now Punchline. Why are you gay? Bro, I started comedy because I saw comedy as a tool that we use to satirize society. I saw comedy as that tool that we use to call out the ills of the society. But I think of comedians as activists who are just not to say, but a comedian will say the most indicting statements, and they will just hide under the guise of Najoko. Actually, typical Nigerian comedian for you. Comedian will just come now. Look this guy now, this cameraman wear shorts. Then I say, Baba, you need to wait to make you turn at your height of ignorance. You go come here, go shout. Najo. Typical Nigerian comedians for you. But I started comedy because of where I was born. I was born in Onitsha. Yeah. Anybody that was born in Onitsha, let me see your hands up. Those people, they wave, microwave. Bro, I started comedy in Onitsha. If you know an average Nigerian child that grew up in Onitsha, you know that child is doomed to fail in life. See, if they did not hear you in Onitsha, thank God. No, every child in Onitsha. You know, when I was small, the kind of nicknames they gave us as 2, 3-year-old children. You go see 3-year-old people, they call them Dotan and Mom Dada. How you did expect that boy to get bright future? They will just show 2-year-old boy call him Arewa. If you see how they share our future dreams, in a lot of animal will tackle. Typical Onitsha lifestyle, you're inferior. That's how Onitsha for you. Very rascal. You know, when I left Onitsha, I went to Lagos when I was 5. And 3. They were just asking me, cry. And no one will come out. If I say I keep my 1 star, say I keep my 2 star. I keep my 1 star. I keep my 3 star. I keep my 5 star. Why you dey cry? I went to go and say I keep my. Really? In Onitsha, you see our play. We will just gather 6 boys. When you pull out on boots, serious. If you look, they will carry you, they will knock you for ground, and it continues. See, Onitsha shaped me a lot, but then Lagos gave me a foundation for my career. Because in Lagos, all of us learned how to be smart. Anybody grew up in Lagos here? You shut up. They call Lagos, but that's they shout. You know, growing up in Lagos, we have this thing. Every child in Lagos was very, very smart, and we know how to lie. See, those days, they will send you a message. If they send you, you go fetch water, you go play ball. As you just say, come back. See, they tell them very easy. Mommy, I go fetch water, the fetch place inside the wall. Come go find Galagala who go use computer. Who know what's the Galagala for you? You know Galagala? If you go bro for Lagos, every compound has one fetching play, but Galagala and community property. Now always one man, one old man, we will make her. Now if they get Galagala, if fetching pen fall inside where you are safe. But if Galagala fall, because you are cursed. Lagos did a lot for me. We learn how to lie on the spot. They go ask you this one, you go reply with this one. They go ask you this one, you go reply with this one. But when I was in primary school, something happened that landed me in serious trouble. You know this? I grew up in Ojo, Okoko. In my area, Okoko Michael. He came in from my area, children, they don't speak any English. You speak English, you speak English for them, they reply you with Yoruba. If you grow up for Lagos, you go understand what's happening here. I did that. Ask. Inside classroom, I want collect ruler. Now ask my neighbor, grandmother, please can you help me with your ruler? You get that in also. I come to meet my friend, Obina, where they understand Yoruba and Igbo. But see, I want to ask this girl for ruler. He said, tell her Baba Ishmael. I turned to this girl in the most apologetic tone ever. And I asked this girl, grandmother, Baba Ishmael. I come back. She dey cry. He said, no, you don't talk away. Tell him, he did die. Wait, think I think about this time. Who play PS2 here? Bro, prime PS2. See, when I was in secondary school, there was something I understood. Do you know there's something called poverty privileges? You don't ever they wish say your family they poor. I don't say you know go relate. See, poverty is go home. At that point, you go just they pray. See, you where they don't pay school fees for, you go come they feel bad. You come they ask yourself, when shall I be like other children? When will my parents go through hardship that they will not be able to afford my serious? Poverty privileges actually exist. Another poverty privilege, you know, say you get some kind of sickness when they do poor man. Cancer, no, it's cancer. You can actually. Bro, I'm a graduate of University of Nigeria and Suka. Okay, one joke, one bundle. Mr. Brown, you're in trouble. Hold your money. You go spray and you go tire. Rubbish. Sit down with your Ankara. I continue from where I stopped. Bro. Waiting, you don't ever hear say, poor man get sickness like pneumonia. You know what's they cause pneumonia? Cold. What did they do poor man like us? His rashes. See as I dey sweat. How I want to get pneumonia as I dey like this? Person like Hugh King now. If Hugh King tell you saying they sick, you go fear. I'm having abdominal artery canal in my left ventricle. But if you ask this guy now, bro, what did they do you? I dey get headache for my right leg. How? Poverty privileges exist. But when I can't enjoy these things now, my JS3, when we can't play PS2, they go send us go school. We go come out during break, go play PS2. And then I live with my auntie. It got to a point, I can't be addicted to games. Bro, they send me go buy egg for Iyaremi shop. Follow this story. Iyaremi shop, they're very close to my house. Instead of to go buy the egg, I leave Iyaremi shop. I start to go junction. Bro, I enter that shop around to 4. I hold 15 naira. Egg for front of our house. I go junction. 15 naira. You know those days now. 15 naira now 2 games. Right? Poor man, poverty privilege. Mother reply. 15 naira now how many games? Bro, we sit down. I miss this guy. Every community get that guy. We be say, he always there for that game shop. They wait for who go come play loser pay with them. For our side, that guy, they call him UAE. You know they use Man U, Chelsea, now UAE in they use play. The guy know they carry money come, but you go sit down there, you go just they play game, they go. If you want bet 1 million, he go play with you. Bro, for some funny reasons, I tell UAE that day, half a more play. The guy tell me, say, make I use Manchester United, he go use UAE, say he go win me. I say, my club, the best club in England, Shut up, shut up. You go come perform. The best club in England. Make I tell the guy more play. Bro, I sit down with this guy. First game, as God may have, it's not God that have it. As devil may have it, I win this guy. Second game, I win this guy. Third game, I win now. Fourth game, I win now. They give me free game. I play now. Win now. Bro, I still play 2 more games with my 15 naira. I go house. As I just come outside. You know, if you dey inside game shop, you know, go dey conscious of time. Everywhere they dark. Not only that screen. You know PS2 now, prime PS2. Once you cut out, you go just press R21, R22, you go load them, go. Ronaldo must score. Or you there from center pitch, you push and press center, go. Or if you want to play free kick, you go play L1, R1, L1, R1, L1, R1, you go come shift camera. You can't do L1X. You're a foolish person. Do you have a job? You'll soon be fired. As I come outside from the game shop, you know that scripture for Genesis, and thick darkness cover the face of the cloud. Everywhere dark. Bro, you know that thing when they talk, everywhere go first blow. I don't experience and they come. Me where they say and go buy egg. See, the junction now like 2 minutes, now like 5 minutes away from my house. I just buy the egg, carry the egg. With speed, I don't beg God, say, God, if you help me survive this thing, if I play PS2 again for my life, make I die. But then, I told you guys something. I thought when I say, growing up in Lagos made me very, very creative with lies. I buy this egg, I reach house. As I just reach out, my auntie opened the gate, back am. She hold yam for hand. Egg dey the yam, which means they don't cook am. They don't chop. Me, I carry the one who I buy for nylon. Then the woman asks me, Chinecherem, KBC. Off the spot, I tell this woman, Henwera Akwana Junction, they jema jangbadi jego ta akwamaka how ere 30 naira. Indi ajangbadi nere 25 naira. The woman look me from my house to ajangbadi na like 2 hours. And as if you dey drive. I tell this woman, convince and say, I waka with leg. Reach that place because of 5 naira difference. She can't tell me, see why it's not good to be poor. I tell her, no, poverty privilege day. Bro, poverty sweet. Now Joko. Bro, bring it down. See, laments are too good. Take. Make I spray my helper. Moving on. As the woman asked me, I tell her, give her the story. She just say, me, I will not touch you this night. I say, thank you, Jesus. Say, but your punishment, go and return that egg and bring my money back for me. But now, I can't thank God, say, I don't escape this beating. If you see us at a run, I know go ajang, but now the issue. I buy the egg for street. I come back in 4 minutes. Now the woman go ask me, Chinecherem, KBC. Now this time, both the Lagos creativity, the Onitsha creativity, everywhere blur. She said, you come back in 4 minutes. You don't mean it. Bro, no jokes. I carry the egg. See, you know the funny thing? This woman no still beats me. That's why I tell parents, it's not every time that you use physical violence to train children. Sometimes, treat your children diplomatically. The woman just leave me. For like the next 1 week, I know she not touch me. You know, you go to fear. You go to sleep. You go wake up. She said they go to hit you for dream. You go just be very uncomfortable. After that egg experience, for 2 weeks, I was literally walking on eggshells in that house. Yeah. ESO students, don't they try you? More wait for IMT to get the joke. 1, 2, 3. IMT! IMT student, they reason with glow. 2G. Bro, after the whole thing for Lagos, we play the ball where we play, we do everything where we do. I can't get admission to University of Nigeria. If you are a UNN student or graduate here, put your hands together for yourself. See, you have something to be proud of. UNN certificate, no easy. If say easy, Uche Najino go for jam. Najoko! Bro, after I got admission, I can't come back to Onitsha again. This is my second time in Onitsha. I don't know, say I don't lose all my Onitsha vibe. As I enter Onitsha, bro, I don't get admission, no. Small children, now go chance you for streets. You go see 4 years Onitsha, Peking go look you eyeball to eyeball, tell you, imeni aokita, 4 years. I get one experience for Pam Pam Lane. If you see beating, you give me they call Pam Pam Lane for Onitsha. What's a bit Pam Pam? You grow for a good place, so you say Pam Pam. If you pass Pam Pam, I swear, even if you dey careful, your phone go lost. If you no come dey careful, you feel no come out. Children go just the gist. Okay, footballer no nazo akeba. Oh, boom, last week. Gist. Now when they fear bandit, now we don't they fear them they come since. See, when one of the worst things will come happen to me for my second time in Onitsha, be say I go enter Emeka Ofo without anybody advising me. Please, 1 minute silence for every Emeka Ofo victim. See, I enter Emeka Ofo. I tell them say I won't buy phone. I know some of you are experienced. Shut up and listen to me. I tell them say I won't buy phone. I sit down. Me say will be foolish person. I won't buy Infinix S7 that year with 35,000. For when they sell 120. As in, I was being creative. That's too good. Shut up. Bro, I was trying. This guy looked me. Tell me, give me carton phone. I swear, carton. I see the phone, there's sealant. Tell me, say, now my phone, be the same make I pay. I pay 35K. You can't tell me. One of the worst questions where you go answer for any channel. It's your Kembele warranty. Hey! They can't tell me, Jane office hard in Kembele warranty. As I enter, they unbox the phone. The phone was looking very neat. As they on the phone, now Infinix did the back. As they on the screen, and they see hummingbird. I can't see Nokia. But instead of the handshake, they can't do chop knuckle. I know, sir, I don't buy rubbish. The guy tell me, don't worry, the warranty, the upgrade got him. I say, okay. He can't tell me the warranty with 10 naira, can't agree. I say 10 naira. Phones day. Plug it. You don't do again. They plug them. I just they see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I say 100 naira. I just see 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000. I call they see 2,700 for 35K phone warranty. I tell the guy, Biko, stop. He say, make I unplug them. He say, if I unplug them, you go got to pay for this one. Oh. I say, okay, leave a main load, finish. The guy continue, 3, 5, 3, 4. He go up again, 4, 2. I tell the guy, I beg, unplug them. No, now your height. Bro, one bundle per punchline. Jeremiah, active. Bro, shut up. Very fat man. Keep quiet. Where I stop, I beg. 5'9". Before the 5-9. As the money they increase, I just see 4,007. I tell the guy, money I offer him. As the guy offer him, I say, Jesus, make I just pay my 4,700, carry my phone. He say, I tell you, it's 10 naira now, 4,700. That's 47,000. If phone na 35K, you use 47,000 do warranty. And those boys, they wicked. Obone cholia, you rap with the phone. Now you are stuck. Do I really charge the phone? Because right now you're about to pay extra 47,000 for a hummingbird Nokia. Where be Lord? Rap! Now Joko! Bro, I use that phone. Bro, that phone, it reached one point, the phone they hit. They use an iron cloth. For the whole niche at that time, now me they hot. Let me say money there. My phone. It was crazy. Active Nation, please stop distracting my performance. Do it again. Come on. You know, say this is my joke, important pass this money where you spray. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, I was talking about Onitsha. The worst experience why I can't do is say I go buy shoe for main market, Johnson line. If those men wash you, you go believe anything. I enter main market, I tell the man, you see that baby Nike where they there? Give me the adult one. The man saying, why they find the adult one? This one go size you. Say up and all gaba. The man bring the shoe. And once they come out the shoe, I don't know why. They go start to squeeze the shoe, they knock them. Nany abana, all chassis. They carry the shoe, put them. I come on my leg, put inside the shoe. Only 3 toe. No. Only 3 toe enter the man shop, see fitting. I say, where they see the fitting? My leg not even fit in. I came to UNN. I got admission. I did English and literary studies. Wasted my life. Because I may do something better. I can't study theater art. Bro, if you see theater art, first year to final year, now dance with the dance. Olo bele mo bele, oba juwa le mi lo, olo bele. You can also hear, ibam chekere, ibam chekere, chenche. See my class rep. Sorry, this guy for year 1, because of his head, they make an HOD, head of department. Anything he said, we all heard. Enough. Let's forge ahead. Hey! Thank you so much. What did I do? Okay. Divided in thoughts, united in heads. Please, that's my work. I can't shake me now. Yes, that's helper. Come now, senior man now. His name is Mark's Collectible, aka Joseph. Coat of many colors. Thank you so much. Shut up. He deals in all kind of perfume and whatnot. Within that whatnot mean, we don't know. Bro, when I came to UNN, it was a crazy school. I come UNN, the worst set of people where you go miss, now people like these guys will sit down for here. From first year, they go wear senator, come out for no reason, right honorable. Shut up! You just know that this boy will likely amount to nothing. They go just add right honorable, they do the wrong things. go just see you for first year. They go first go write for the school board. Osei Loka is wanted. By who? We don't even know him. He could just stop you. Welcome to the den. Do you know that in UNN, we can go speak one rubbish, they try market the school. They go, all in the bid for you to vote for. Once you vote, they know one day friendly again. They go start to the miss, you're a victim. You sound from your heart. Your boyfriend, SUG, the ones who will come there friendly are the ones who will lose the election. They will come there very, very friendly with the student society. Don't mind them. I wish I was in power. You will do the same. Thief. Bro, another crazy set of people I met in school were, you see people what they do in the entertainment field. Just meet person, what do? You say, I'm a protector of human capital development. Bouncer. Bouncer. What do? I capture people's moments and immortalize them in the sands of time. What do they do? Passport, photographer, nothing more. The ones who I hate, what do? I'm the life of the party. They call me the Dick's jockey of what? DJ. Do you know, I was meant to be a DJ. The only problem was that I had to learn it from the scratch. So, bro, another set of people I hated. I did not get to do it again. See, I hated, you see, all these spoken word artists. Those people will say the wrongest rubbish and make it sound like it makes sense. They talk nonsense. Once they just add one soundtrack. DJ, you sabi am. Once you just come. When you wake up, you go to the sun. And then you step. Then you see a white shirt and a table pointing to where? The LED screen. Life is like a red cap. The fact that you do not see senator does not mean you will not be a hill king. How does that make sense? The sun rises in the east. Sets where? For in head. They'll come look you. Bring her now. I wrote this joke for one of my sponsors, the band, but continue. God tell you, you are the main character. In life, actor no they die for film. In your life script, you are the main character. If you are in the movie Avatar, you will be the Ava. If you are in Ben 10, you will be the Ben. Often. Now, often. Come on the soundtrack. This rubbish show I talk now. Did it make any sense? Please, can you turn off the light? I know the smoke. I don't want it to smell like suya. Bro, I will see the edit. You know, say, I studied very, very well in school. I put in all my effort. I graduated in flying colors. I joined courts. Where would they fly color like mad? Bro, you know, say for Lagos, they arrest my guy because he be Davido fan. Curtis beats the guy. Same be Davido fan. Why? They sing their song. Which song? Ah, yeah. IMT student go get the joke. But guess what? Now joke, oh. They never beat you say you wear Dortmund jersey before. Sancho 7. You go explain tire. See, I tell you, I say, I've been gonna turn off the smoke. At some point, see, I even studied English and literary studies. You know, it's need to study English for school. 4 years. I see our best graduating students, they work for mortuary. I say, how you take apply? He said, I ghost writing. You see what I did there, right? Exactly. See, I know when I talk about you and everybody say, why you always about your school? If it's easy, do am. There's a school chain in Enugu. If UNEC rejects you, UNN will accept you. If UNN rejects you, ESUT will accept you. If ESUT rejects you, Osisatec will accept you. If Osisatec rejects you, Godfrey Okoye will accept you. If Godfrey Okoye rejects you, IMT will accept you. If IMT rejects you, only Sunday school will accept you. Oh, you're an IMT graduate. Where is that money? I can't find it. Bro, I know that one of the things, I told you guys that comedy is a tool that we comedians use to call out the ills in the society. So things are happening. There's a movie that is trending recently, The Head. Who has seen the movie? On I get hacked Netflix. The Head. People are saying, one of the major complaints is, why did we so much profile the Northerners as terrorists? And it makes me to ask the question, have you ever seen a terrorist named Ozobulu before? Have you ever seen terrorists doing video? Anyone, I know life now, Papa. I didn't mad, you know, man, I had it innocent. Bring it down, DJ. Bring it down. Do you know? I lost one of my guys 3 weeks ago to bandits. You too, sorry. No, I did not actually lose my guy, you. Na joke. I lost my guy. You know this way they say, try learn Hausa, so if bandits catch you, go interact with them. Bandits stop my guy. They ask him, Kaya Bokina Kaji ko my guy no sabi Hausa just shut ta Bokina Kaji ko yo Adam Boroba Shegefa. The bandits look at him, say, now one of us. One time friends, Kaya Bokina Kadan Kadan. Instead of make the idiot shut up because Kaya Bokina Kadan BMSC Evu. If you see killing, they buy the guy. See, they say, why are we profiling the Northerners as terrorists? Do you know in the Bible, you will not see fear east, you will not see fear south, you will not see fear west, but many times you will see fear north. See, calm down. Do you know that if these terrorists have seen that verse of the Bible, they would have banned it? Good night.